Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can place an order on Aliexpress without paying. Okay, so you can create unpaid order. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to go to your own Aliexpress account. You can do the exact same steps on your iPhone or Android phone or your PC or laptop. This works on both devices. Okay, so you want to just go to the app, okay, your Aliexpress app, or you can just log in into your Aliexpress on your PC. So after that, what you need to do, guys, you want to find a product that you want to place an order without paying. Now I would say, I would search for something like Akrapovic. Okay, Akrapovic exhaust. Now that's what I'm going to search for. And after that, you want to find a product that you want to create and paid order. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, it seems like this is just a sticker, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay, now to create unpaid order, guys, okay, so you want to then click on here where it says buy now. Okay, buy now, click on it. All right, now after you click on buy now, then what you need to do, guys, you want to just add this credit card that I'm going to add in the description of this video. Okay, make sure you save it so that you use it next time. Now the card number is going to be this. Okay, I'm going to add everything in the description of this video, and also the name, it doesn't matter. The name, you can add any name here. Okay, the expiration date is going to be this. Okay, January and 49, and CVV, you want to select 730. Okay, that's CVV 730. Okay, so you want to click on save and confirm, and then make sure you save it so that you use it next time, and then click on pay now. As you can see, we couldn't process this payment for security reasons. Now if you go to my orders, you will find, as you can see here, we have successfully created and paid order. As you can see, this is the product. Okay, so it's easy to create and paid order or to place an order without paying. Now you can pay for it after, I would say, like 24 hours. Okay, so this works like if you are a dropshipper. Like, this method really helps dropshippers. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. Drop a like and see you guys next video.